It is 7:16 p.m. and guess what? I'm about to go into Dollar Tree. But this time I'm gonna do my video different. I don't feel like doing no voiceover or anything. So y'all about to get a raw, uncut Dollar Tree video from your girl. It's been a minute since I've been in here. Thank you. So I got me a basket. They don't have no new sets. No new plate sets. They got these cute water bottles. These are so cute. I actually kind of want one. It's 34 fluid ounces. I have a lot of pink water bottles. That's 10. I think I'm going to get one. And they got a blue one. I think I'm going to get a blue one. Comment down below, which color would you get? Every time I make my way in Dollar Tree, I always got to come to the health and beauty section. I ended up getting some Orchard wipes. I prefer the feminine lavender one. They have 3 different scents. They have the lavender, the aloe vera, and I forgot the other kind. It does not make your pH go out of balance. It is perfect for when you're on your cycle. Now look up. They finally got some face and body wipes, Brazilian mist. I'm going to go ahead and grab about 2 of these. Let's put it in the cart. Next, I came across the Freeman Filthy Feet Salt Foot Scrubber. This right here is $5 at Five Below, and it's $1.25 at Dollar Tree. This is perfect for when you're in between pedicures or you're on a budget and you just can't afford a pedicure. Look what is back in stock. The Downy Rinse and Refresh. I love these. Oh my gosh. If y'all don't know, let me put y'all on. What you want to do is you want to wash your clothes. During a rinse cycle, you want to pour one of these in there. Baby, it have your clothes smelling so amazing. And they finally stocked up. But y'all know the generic brand, the knockoff brand is this right here. This refreshing fabric rinse. It's $1.25 for one. So you can grab a few of these, or you can just grab a whole container of those. But know what I mean? I have a few of these already. I have so many of those already. So I want to restock on some of these Downy Rinse and Refresh. So I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna grab the whole cart, and I'm gonna leave them about 3. This all-purpose line right here works so amazingly. They came out with some new scents. The newest scent that they have is in Nero and Bregma. I hope I'm saying that right. Then they also have the lemongrass and citrus. This one smells so good. And the peppermint sage, which I'm not really a big fan of. And they also have the peppermint sage daily cleaner as well. But I would say this one right here is the best one. All right, y'all. So I spent roughly about $17. I did get a few items that I know I needed, but there was no point of like showing y'all that because it's just regular items. I wanted to show y'all the new finds of the week. But if y'all enjoy content like this, be sure to follow for more and comment down below what was your favorite item.